Hi friends, I am so excited to be here with you today. I just got my new Design Ambassador kit from Jessie James Beads. So this is my December kit, so I'm really excited to share it with you today. So I got a list packed by Emily. Thank you, Emily. And this is what will be in my kit today. So let's get to it. So exciting. All right. What do we have? If I can find the way to open this bag. I know there's a way. There's a way, there's a will. Or where there's a will, there's a way. Can't even say that right. All right. So, Jessie James Beads just came out with the new Pantone line for the winter, and they sent me, this is called Illuminating. I really like this crystal right here. Look at that color. Isn't that cool? Whoops. Okay, lost my tag. But so this is Illuminating. It's part of the Pantone colors for winter. Look at those boho beads and those fun silvers. It looks like little bubbles. And the crystals. So exciting to see what will come out of that. They sent me a butterfly bead mix in Never Give Up. So lots of beautiful beads and these really cool wings. And we can open this up so you can see it a little better. And the last thing are the Dress It Up buttons. These are flatbacks. So you glue them on things and look at those sparkles. This is called Lunar Eclipse. So that's from the sister company, Dress It Up. And I'm going to open up with you the bead mix, Never Give Up. This beautiful butterfly mix. I love these wings. All the butterfly mixes have these in different colors. Very delicate, but so pretty. Look at that. How pretty are those? So pretty. And then here comes the beads. Did I open the wrong end? I think so. They package it so well, I can't open it. But there's yellows and grays and silver tones all in here. Ooh, look at those. So pretty. So this says Never Give Up. And I have some really cool crystals in here and some black crystals, some gray pearls, these really fun silver buttons. Look at this. I love this butterfly charm. So pretty. Lots of yummy goodiness. Goodiness, is that even a word? And some of those gold rondelle. So another great mix. Some silver bead caps. Very pretty. Thank you, Jessie James Beads. Different sizes of these rondelles. Look at all this. Some fun cube crystals. Another great one. So look, the links are going to be in my description so that you can go and purchase these yourself. Over at Jessie James Beads, I will give you direct links to the items. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. And stay tuned. I will come up with a design on the fly here shortly. So if you want to see a certain kind of design on the fly with me, short, long, whatever, let me know. Comment below if there's certain things you'd like to see me make. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day and happy beading.